So I'm gonna make a video about why I haven't made a video in a while, and that's because the PC parts in my area freaking suck balls. There's never anything good for sale, and if there is, it's super expensive. So I live in a small area, like 2 hours outside of the biggest city in my state, which is Seattle, and I live 15 minutes outside my small city, so I live pretty much out in the middle of nowhere. So if I want to go and buy parts somewhere, I got to travel to this city, Port Angeles. And I live 15 minutes away from there. So even in my little community here on the res, there is a marketplace, but I've never actually found any PC parts for sale. But I got lucky and got a PC for free off of there. But it actually wasn't even on the marketplace either. It was a post from somebody I knew they're giving out for free. Probably because I upgraded or something, I'm guessing. But yeah, the PC parts around here kind of sucks, dude. Like 480 for 50, that's pretty good. But I want something a little like this Cooler Master case. That's cool. 25 bucks, half off. That's a good deal. But like, check this out here. You can build this for that price. So yeah, not a good deal, really. i3 9100. That's alright. That's good beginner. 32 gigs. 32 gigs RAM. That's good. Terabyte. 1 terabyte. You can get those on Amazon for like 50 bucks. So power supply, pretty good. You can buy those on Amazon for like 40 bucks. RX 6400. Those are around like you can if you can buy them used. Normally they're around like 150, something like that. So yeah, like there is parts, but there's really nothing ever good. And if there's anything good, it's like this right here. Freaking Ryzen 73 700X. They want 900 bucks for all this with the 2080. That's 3 generations behind. So parts are freaking taxed around here. That's what sucks. That's why I haven't really made any videos lately because I can't find any good parts like worth it to buy used anyways. You can still buy these parts like on Amazon or eBay, which maybe is something I might have to start doing is going on eBay to get my used parts. AM3 motherboard, 85 bucks, dang. My local computer shop in Port Angeles, I got AM3 boards for like 20 bucks, 40 bucks. Well, that's taxed. Full PC build for 1800. I'll check this one out. It's pretty good. Like, but I'm not gonna buy a whole PC. Got a capture card in it. Freaking 3060 Ti. I already have 3060 Ti, so I wouldn't buy that. i7 10700. That's like 3 generations behind too. But yeah, their prices are taxed around here for old parts. Can't really find a good deal around here. Silverdale is like hour and a half away for where I'm at, and this is 970, I think. Yeah, 970, 40 bucks. That's a good deal, but too far for me to drive that far to get it. I end up paying like 40 bucks or 80 bucks for that because would have to pay for gas to get there, so it wouldn't make it a good deal. 4070 Ti for $700. Dang. 3070 for 350, 2070 for 200. And I don't even know where this is. This is pretty far from where I'm at. Yeah, like once in a while I find a good deal, but I haven't found any good deals lately. So, what sucks about living where I'm at. But just a quick update. Want to show you guys what kind of parts are around where I live, which is nothing really. I'm actually thinking about buying this. So, that's a pretty good deal. So, yeah. I looked it up on Amazon. It's like $80. Dude, what the heck's going on with my voice right now? Sound weird. But yeah, if you guys know about any used PC parts, hit me up and let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace.